Pig breeds. Purpose of lesson. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to classification of pigs, differences between indigenous and improved varieties, pig breeds. Introduction. Discuss previous content that can be linked to current topic. Goat breeds. The purpose of the following lesson is to discuss the content associated with the following. Pig breeds. Concepts and skills. Pig breeds. Compare indigenous and improved varieties. Indigenous breeds, improved breeds. Like wild boars, short bodies have less meat, bred to have longer bodies so they can produce more meat. Short hind quarters, heavy hind quarters. Meat is of a lower quality and very fat. Meat is high quality and low in fat. Lower feed conversion ratio, high feed conversion ratio. Slower growth rates should seek food, growth rate is faster. Lower fertility with fewer infants in a litter. Grown for higher fertility and larger shoots. High disease resistance, less resistant to disease. Long hair structure, short hair structure. Meat pork. Pigs should be well muscled in the buttocks and thighs. There must be a good amount of fat over the muscles of a fully grown pig. Their body must be relatively deep, long and wide. Meat pigs are slaughtered when they weigh about 45 to 55 kilograms. Minnesota pig. Minnesota pigs were developed in 1949 at the Hormel Institute in the United States of America. These pigs were imported from America in 1950 to replace the black pigs in our country. These pigs could not adapt and acclimatize in our country and were phased out in the 70s. Duroc pig. This pig breed originally comes from the Jersey Red of New Jersey and the Red Duroc of New York. Duroc pigs are smaller than the Jersey Reds, but have a better bone structure and are more compact. Breed characteristics. They are muscular pigs with a large physique and medium length. Bears reach a mass of up to 150 kilograms. The color varies from light gold to dark red, which is preferred. All genuine Duroc pigs are red. They have hanging ears and a slightly concave face. They have a deep body with broad thighs and shoulders. They grow fast and have a high weight gain. They have an unparalleled fast conversion rate from feed to meat. It is one of the most aggressive pig breeds. For pig farming practices, genuine Duroc is used for crossbreeding. They are very fertile and have a long life. Duroc pigs are excellent terminal sires and form the basis for many commercial pig farms and breeders. Crossing the Duroc with great white or Landrace pigs results in brown pigs that are not adversely affected by sunburn. Duroc crossings perform well as female breeding pigs. Sows have a good maternal instinct. Has smaller litter of 6 to 12 pigs. Carcass and meat quality. The carcass and meat quality is good. There is a greater amount of fat outside the meat compared to carcass fat. The meat is very juicy and tender compared to other pork breeds. Their muscles have more red fibers, which increases the meat's eating quality. Adaptational quality. They adapt well to cold and wet conditions due to their tearing of winter hair cover and hard skin. They also adapt to warm climates because the hair cover falls out in the summer. Big white pig. Great white pigs are a breed of tame pigs that originated in Yorkshire in England and are therefore also known as Yorkshire pigs. Breed characteristics. They are large, white pigs with a deep body and pink skin. They have slightly concave faces and their ears are erect. Mature pigs can weigh up to about 450 kilograms. Large white pigs with a good bloodline have strong bones, enabling them to have a long reproductive life. They are used extensively for the production of pork and bacon. They are crossed with the Landrace to increase production. They are good food seekers. They are the most effective converters of feed to meat and their mass can increase by up to 1.4 kilograms per day. They are usually used in factory farm situations. Has litter of 10 to 12 pigs. Has excellent maternal instinct and high milk production. Meat quality. These pigs have muscular, lean carcasses with ham of a lower quality than other pig breeds. The meat is tasty and high quality with a high ratio of lean meat to fat. Cross pigs have a better meat structure. Adaptational quality. It is a tough pig breed that is well adapted to different climatic and environmental conditions. They are not suitable for outdoor environments because of their unpigmented skin and white hair that make them very prone to sunburn. Cross-breeding with red Duroc pigs can improve their ability to live in an outdoor environment. Landrace pig. All the different Landrace varieties are descended from pigs from the northern parts of Europe, especially those from Denmark. Denmark's native pigs were crossed with English great white pigs and the Landrace was developed through selective breeding. They have different names according to the country where they are found. In our country we have the South African Landrace. Breed characteristics. They are medium to large pigs with a long body, pink skin, white hair and large, limp ears hanging over their eyes. They have more than the usual number of ribs, namely 17 pairs. Mature pigs weigh about 270 kilograms on average. They are commonly used in intensive farming systems. They are efficient converters of feed to meat. They are very good for cross-breeding programs and the offspring have long bodies. Sows have a good maternal instinct and high milk production. Has infants with a heavier weaning mass than other breeds. Has big litter. Meat quality. Meat forms a high percentage of the carcass mass. The ham meat structure is good, with little excess fat. Long backs mean more bacon can be made. Adaptability features. Due to their pink skins, they are not suitable for a free-running system, because they are prone to sunburn. Their sparse hair does not protect them during cold weather. Bacon breeds. Bacon breeds are bred to make smoked meats. Bacon is made from a variety of cuts of meat. Striped bacon comes from the pork belly. It has long layers of fat that run parallel to the skin. Bacon is made from the loin. It has more meat and less fat. The structure is more like that of ham. Bacon can be smoked, cooked, fried, baked or roasted. Ham is made from the thigh of the pig's hind leg. Ham is also smoked. Hampshire pig. Hampshire pigs originally come from the county of Hampshire in England. Breed characteristics. It is a medium to large black pig with a white stripe like a belt around the body over the forelegs and belly as far as the middle of the torso. They have large, erect ears. They are good food seekers. They grow fast and have long legs. They are good for cross-breeding. Sows are extremely fertile and have large, healthy litters of 8 to 14 pigs. Has an excellent maternal instinct. Meat quality. This breed produces high-quality meat. The well-muscled carcass is of excellent quality. They are heavily muscular and lean, with thin skin and less back fat. Adaptational quality. Hampshire pigs are tough animals with good temperament. Tamworth pig. Tamworth pig is originally from Tamworth in Staffordshire, England. This pig herd was crossed with pigs from Ireland. Breed characteristics. They are medium-sized pigs with a long body and red hair cover. They have strong necks, strong, long legs, deep sides and long, thin backs. They have long, erect ears. Mature bears weigh about 250 to 370 kilograms and mature sows weigh 200 to 300 kilograms. They have great potential for cross-breeding programs to maximize growth rates. Sows have fewer pigs per litter, usually 6 to 10 pigs. Are good mothers who raise their little ones more successfully in free-running systems. Meat quality. They are mainly bacon pork, but also produces pork. They have well-structured, muscular thighs with a thin, lean cross. The body mass may be high, but the meat is very lean with little fat. The meat has a very distinctive taste. Adaptational quality. Their toughness makes them very suitable for free-range production. They are good food seekers and do well in poor conditions. Their colored skin makes them less likely to get sunburn. They have dense hair that protects the skin from the sun's ultraviolet rays. A mud layer also protects them. Tamworth pigs are gentle giants with a very good temperament. Activities. Learners can also use the following resources to complete activities. Relevant Grade 10 textbooks. Focus Control Textbook Grade 10. Oxford Successors Revision Exercise at the end of the chapter. Consolidation. This lesson covered the content as prescribed in the CAPS document. Learners who have mastered the content should apply the knowledge and skills needed by successfully answering questions related to this curriculum content. Learners will be able to use the knowledge and skills as a sound foundation for progression to the next topic. Poultry breed.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.